what the crab look like.
Deep fried fish, yeah.
Yeah, fish is good.
Deep fried fish, yeah.
Yeah, big fish. fish.
Fish same.
Yeah, fish. Good fish, huh?
呢度唔使太貴啊！嗱，咁交佢，嗱，冇佢肉，我哋喂，講翻幾貴。翻到你有冇將翻佢就死㗎啦？將佢就死㗎啦！咁翻到。
Guys, the fish is live. Wow, fresh.
Fish same.
我睇下你翻到你死㗎啦！冇力㗎。
Sorry, I just finished my food. But let me give you a little bit history about Dai Pai. So Dai Pai is like an old tradition of Hong Kong, and it's the only process where they allow a kitchen to be on the street, like a gas kitchen to run on the street, like cooking openly on the street. So for example, they're cooking with gas. So only few Dai Pai left now in Hong Kong because the government doesn't issue the license anymore. But what they do is, if you have a bloodline or family that transfer the license to you, you can run it. So for example, let's say the chef gave the license to his son or his brother, it can be run on the street. So yeah, so we came to Oh My Son Kitchen, I believe. I'll put it over the video. We had this amazing food. Jay had eggplant meal. It's very crispy. I don't know how they cook it, but it was very delicious. Unfortunately, I couldn't show you guys my crab, but I was telling you this is traditional how the crab looks like. What is it called?
Typhoon Shelter Crab.
Well, you hear it, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, Chef, if you're watching this video. Show us the videos. We managed to find this, but I have no idea. We were walking, Jay behind the camera found this place. While we go here, the chef just invited us. Like, we took some selfies, and then we put the selfies we took with the chef. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. From Dai Pai in Sham Shui. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure you like the video and subscribe.